Okay, hi guys, it's your girl Ellum back with another video. So, have you ever heard this thing where people are all, go to college, get a degree, and then you'll be rich and successful? Let's be for real, that's so not true anymore. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying studying is a total waste of time, because obviously some degrees are actually useful, and the student experience is something else. But honestly, just relying on a degree to make you rich, that's not the move, you know? That's why it's so important for students like all of us to have some kind of side hustle, something that could actually turn into something huge in the future. Alright, so let's talk about this first side hustle, which is honestly blowing my mind right now. It's all about creating short-form content, but get this, you don't even have to show your face. I know, crazy, right? So, there's this guy, Daniel Bitten, and he's only 16, can you even imagine? He started using social media, just for fun when he was 13, which is pretty normal these days. But now, at 16, he's making $500,000 every single month from Snapchat. And he doesn't even show his face. It's actually insane. I was shook when I heard about it. So basically, during the pandemic, TikTok totally blew up, right? And ever since then, all these platforms like Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok have been in this crazy battle for our attention. And guess what? This is where you come in. They need content creators desperately, and they're willing to pay serious money for it. Daniel's whole thing is that he takes existing videos, adds different voiceovers, music, and edits, and just posts consistently. It's all about understanding what makes people click, human psychology, and creating content that people actually want to watch. Daniel spends hours researching trends, figuring out what's popular, and then he tailors his content to fit those trends perfectly. He's mastered the art of grabbing attention in the first few seconds, which is crucial in the world of short-form content. And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment. Daniel started with just a smartphone and some free editing software. It's all about creativity and consistency. If you can keep people engaged, the platforms will reward you. So if you're thinking about starting a side hustle, take a page out of Daniel's book. You don't need to show your face to make a huge impact. Just focus on creating content that resonates with people, and who knows, you might be the next big thing in the digital world. Okay, so this next side hustle might surprise you because it's not your typical, start a business from your dorm room kind of thing. It's not about creating the next big app or launching a startup with your college buddies, but it's something that's been super beneficial for me, and it's actually how I make around $177,000 per week. Yes, you heard that right, and no, it's not a scam or some get-rich-quick scheme. You heard me right? It's investing. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, oh, here we go again, let me explain why this is different. I know. It doesn't sound like the most exciting thing in the world, but trust me on this. Investing can be incredibly rewarding if you know what you're doing and stay committed. Over the years, I've been using different strategies like dollar cost averaging, which is basically just investing a little bit of money consistently, regardless of market conditions, and investing in index funds, which are like baskets of different stocks. These funds spread out your risk and can provide steady returns over time. And honestly, the biggest thing is just being consistent, even when the market is being totally crazy. It's about having the discipline to stick to your plan. Because the thing is, if you invest consistently, no matter what the market is doing, you're giving yourself the best chance to make money in the long run. It's about playing the long game and not getting swayed by short-term volatility. For example, if you were to invest just $200 every month for 40 years, and you got an average return of 10% per year, you would end up with over $1.2 million. I mean, that's wild. And that's the power of compound interest working in your favor. So even if you're just starting out and you don't have a ton of money to invest, just remember that every little bit counts. It's not about how much you start with, but about starting and staying consistent. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Think of it like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger and stronger it will grow over time. So start now and let your investments flourish. Okay, so this next side hustle is perfect if you're super into the whole online community thing. It's all about building and managing Discord servers. And you guys, this is a real thing. I actually know someone who does this. His name is Chris Peters, and he's only 19. So Discord started as this platform for gamers, which, I get it. but it's actually become so much more than that. Now it's used by all kinds of communities and businesses. And because of that, the demand for people who actually know how to build and manage these servers is like skyrocketing. Chris actually started his Discord business while he was still in school, which is pretty impressive. And guess what? One of his first clients was me. He reached out, offered me so much value up front, totally revamped my server, and his business just took off from there. He's now making $115,000 a month, which is just like mind-blowing. So if you're good with people, you're organized, and you love the idea of building online communities, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Okay, so this next side hustle is all about being on the cutting edge of like technology and stuff. Mercy, it's AI animation. And I'm not even kidding. This is the future, you guys. Mercy. So let me introduce you to Mercy, the absolute genius behind all the amazing animations on my channel. He's seriously the best. Mercy, and guess what? He's making between $8,000 to $110,000 per month just by creating animations for different clients using AI tools. I know, it's crazy. Mercy. The tools he uses are ChatGPT and Midjourney, and they're honestly amazing. AI is like the biggest thing to happen since the internet, and we're only just starting to see what it can do. Mercy. So if you can get in on the ground floor and master these AI tools now, you're going to be in such a good position as this whole industry just explodes. Okay, so you guys know I love a good fashion moment, right? I mean, who doesn't love the thrill of finding that perfect piece that just screams you? So this next side hustle is perfect for anyone who's obsessed with clothes, especially luxury brands. It's reselling luxury items. Imagine turning your passion for fashion into a profitable business. Sounds like a dream, right? And before you're like, Ellum, that's so extra, hear me out. There's this guy, Ben Gallagher, and he started reselling luxury items online as a side hustle back in 2023. And get this, he made £7.2 million. Yes, you heard that right. £7.2 million from reselling luxury items online. It's mind-blowing. Like, can you even imagine turning a simple side hustle into a multi-million-pound business? It's the kind of success story that makes you think, why didn't I think of that? He even went on Dragon's Den, which is this big investment show, and got investment there. The whole luxury resale market is booming right now, and it's only getting bigger. It's all thanks to social media culture and millennials like us who want those designer pieces without, the crazy price tag. Ben's story is honestly so inspiring, and it just shows you the potential in this market. So if you've got an eye for fashion and you're good at spotting a deal, this could be your thing. Imagine the possibilities. You could start small, maybe with a few pieces, and who knows where it could lead. Ben Gallagher? Yeah, it's been quite the journey. Starting out, I never thought it would turn into something this big, but here we are. If you have a passion for fashion and a knack for finding great deals, the luxury resale market is definitely worth exploring. It's not just about making money, it's about the thrill of the hunt, the joy of finding that perfect piece, and the satisfaction of knowing you can turn it into something valuable. So, why not give it a shot? Okay, so this next side hustle is for all my fellow word nerds out there. It's online writing. And I'm not talking about writing the next Harry Potter or anything. I'm talking about providing in-demand writing services that people and businesses actually need. There's this guy, Adam, and he makes over $10,000 a month just from online writing. He does things like blog posts, website copy, email marketing, you name it. And the best part is, you don't need to have a degree in English or anything like that. It's all about honing your writing skills, finding your niche, and marketing yourself effectively. And honestly, in today's digital world, good writing is so valuable. Adam, absolutely. When I started, I had no idea it would turn into such a lucrative career. The key is to find your niche and really focus on delivering high-quality content. And don't forget to market yourself. Networking is crucial in this field. Okay, so those are just a few side hustle ideas to get you thinking. And honestly, the possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to find something you're passionate about, something that you can see yourself doing long term. Because the truth is, building a successful side hustle takes time and effort. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you're willing to put in the work, be consistent, and never stop learning, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. And remember, You don't have to wait until you graduate to start building your dream life. You can start right now, from your dorm room, with just a laptop and an internet connection. The world is literally your oyster. There you have it, 7 side hustles that can help you break free from the outdated belief that a university degree is the only path to a high-paying job. Whether it's creating faceless short-form content, investing, building Discord servers, diving into AI animation, reselling luxury items, or online writing, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the key to success is to start now, stay consistent, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, Rich Roadmap, for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.